this is the day, the first drive. Take it around the block, see how it drives.
You guys might be aware of my lifelong love for rotaries and my urge and need to push start them. Well, Isaiah and I working together have come up constantly with new technology, and this is probably the most advanced form of pushing available to the market.
I mean, you need a powerful engine to start another powerful engine. So the best thing we had on hand was the truck. And this is how we take our first drive. You know, it felt good going around the corners. Unfortunately, she just doesn't stay on. But we're gonna keep on going around, take a lap, Nürburgring this bitch, and then see what happens.
For those of you wondering, I actually made sure that the metal hooks, the party end of the straps, are not in a position that will then launch towards me or him if the strap were to break.
Nobody cares about that.
4D chest. Yeah, you say that. I'm gonna go 30 miles an hour.
Just doing the first. So we're on. We are on.
Can you rev it or no?
No. You hear the sound? Yeah.
Oh
no,
shit!
No way! Oh no way!
It's alive!
No way!
It works. Yes, full save. Holy shit! I did not expect that.
Yeah. I need more people in the car, dude. I don't believe this.
Come on,
dude,
yeah!
Forget
the rebuild. This shit runs.
That's what I'm saying. Please, Lord, baby Jesus. I wish I had like a quick release to release the rope and just try to drive myself.
Oh, hey, she's kind of torquey.
Oh my god!
Keep it on, keep it on, keep it on.
Oh my god!
Yes! Oh my gosh! Smoke show! There's nothing wrong going on here.
I'm keeping it.
So funny.
Fuck yeah! Let's go, man!
I need to never not bet on off. It sounds great. Just sort of cooling.
More coolant can't hurt.
Yeah, you're right. It's water injection as far as I'm concerned.
It is that.
I looked back, I saw a plume of smoke. I was like, okay, that's a tire. Then I saw it. I was like, no, that's not a tire. You're free to go.
Oh my god, I'm
Test that drivetrain.
A little bit of rubbing.
No way that's under its own power.
Just leave it, just leave it. It'll rub. It's the tire's problem, not mine.
When you see sketchier wiring than myself, this is his positive lead. Yes, that. I mean, it could short on the bar. It could short on.
That's called innovation, baby.
We're gonna add some coolant because this car consumes coolant.
This is what you guys remember. This Valvoline came with the car. This is for Honda, Hyundai, Nissan, Subaru.
Oh, where's Chris's pineapple drink? So the trick to coolant is getting it into the coolant reservoir.
Well, normally she's there to help me get in the hole.
In the arms of an angel.
It's that right throttle angle, you know. All RX owners know this.
Yeah, it is.
So Taco Bell or?
Yeah. Take it through the Jack in the Box drive-thru.
I wonder if the radio works. Power on.
Oh, it's FM up there.
Okay. FM.
Nice.
That's okay. Windows are working.
This is a modern look. I think I have more features than the Diablo in here.
This air conditioning. Turn on the AC. That's.
Oh, it's cold. It's getting cold.
No.
It's getting cold. It was at least.
It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter.
Yeah.
It's colder outside. it is 95 degrees out. Did you see that car as I was pulled out? I was like, okay, I can't be just me. I have to pull up for all of us. Oh, I heard the rotary. I heard a rotary.
Where is traction control? We're gonna blow this bitch up right now.
Let's see you do the three rotor pass. Okay, that was some torque. That was some torque. There's 4 of us in here too.
There's also on a dead rotor.
Yeah. As your attorney, I advise any moments. Okay, this moment, yes. You need to do what you're about to do.
Keep it going, keep it going.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Driving into the shop under its own power.
Oh, we did tell him that he could if he.
Yeah, I said it. He could drive. Allow it to be in the shop if you can drive it into the shop.
Welcome everybody.
That was the 4-rotor when I busted both drive shafts.
I did a Carl.
I was very pleased. I made the mistake of betting against us. Paid the ultimate price today as my pride was saying, it's what we do. It's all that we do. Rotary. And I thought we couldn't, and we did. I just want to admit that. I apologize.
We're here on a lift, you know, it drove under its own power, you guys saw. I connected that, you know, it got back into the shop on its own power. So this was a surprising day. I was not expecting to give you guys this video, but I want to do the best to make it a normal experience. So I'm just going to take apart whatever is wrong with it, assess the damage, see what I needed. Maybe a radiator is kind of leaking some fluid or whatever. For sure, coolant seal's gone. Anything shows us is that I'm wrong when it comes to these cars. So maybe I put the radiator in and let it run and run and run, and it all seals up, and we're just all a happy family, and I could fit 2 more fat bitches in the back. There we go.
He's saying I need to lose weight, is what he's saying.
You're perfect.
There's just more of me to love. Obviously, we can pull the engine right now and replace coolant seals, but what if? What if we just replace the radiator? What happens? And honestly, with coolant seals, it's kind of an unknown territory. For some of you, yeah, obviously it's known, but what if? You get those low-ball offers of RX-8s out in the world, especially first-gen 2004s. Can you do this? And so we're approaching it from that point of view, and I think that's way more relatable. I'm blown away. I want to thank Dodge for its diesel power. For making that?
Yes, the 3-rotor for encouraging, making a performance outside and shedding some light. One thing I did want to talk about that I almost forgot was, so I did buy this car from Copart. And so when you are buying cars from Copart or anywhere, honestly, these cars, you have to be very cautious because this was almost a really bad buy. I only bought this car because it was crashed in the front. To crash, you always need to have a running and driving car. And so that's when, oh, actually, we're also going to do compression test next video, so let's see where it's at. But so when we thought the front rotor was blown, it's kind of really upsetting because I thought it was going to be a running car. Only reason why I bought it. But I'm rambling now. I don't know what else to say.
Yeah.
But all right, see you later.
Yep, see you later.